Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss nitrogen fixation. So, in the starting of the biochemistry and production of biofertilizer, we discussed that there are different types of biofertilizers like algal biofertilizers, bacterial biofertilizers, and fungal biofertilizers. And the biofertilizers which are prepared commercially, like nitrogen fixing biofertilizers or phosphate solubilizing biofertilizers, they have a major role in the plant growth, right? So why this nitrogen fixation is important, what is the nitrogen fixation is, what are the different microorganisms which are involving in this nitrogen fixation, these all things are we are going to discuss in this lecture. So we will start with the introduction to the nitrogen. As we all know, nitrogen is a element of periodic table which is having atomic number 7. It is a essential to life on the earth and can be found in all living system. But in plants it has a major component of chlorophyll and amino acids. So why this is so, we are going to discuss in the next slide. So this nitrogen not only helps or not only have a major component in the chlorophyll or amino acid, but it is a imperative element for the proper growth of and development of plant, which is significantly increases and enhances the crop yield and as well as the food quality. So why this nitrogen is important for the plant? Because the nitrogen is vital or a major component of chlorophyll, and we all know that this chlorophyll is a compound by which plant uses sunlight energy to produce sugars from water and carbon dioxide. This is nothing but the photosynthesis reaction which is happen with the help of chlorophyll present in the plant, and this chlorophyll is having a major component as a nitrogen. That's why nitrogen plays a vital role in the plant growth. As well as not only the chlorophyll contain nitrogen, but the nitrogen is also a major component of amino acid. We all know that amino acids are building blocks of proteins, and without proteins plant will wither and die. That's the reason it is also important in the plant growth and development. Not only here the nitrogen stop, nitrogen is also an major component or a component of a energy transferring compounds also. The energy transferring compounds such as ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the adenosine triphosphates, which allows the cells to conserve and use the energy released in the metabolism. Here also the nitrogen plays a important role because it is a component of energy transferring compounds like ATPs, and also have a significant component in the nucleic acids such as DNA, which is a genetic material which allows the cells and eventually we can say whole plants to grow and reproduce. This due to this all functions, and due to this major role, the nitrogen is important for plant. Because if nitrogen is absent, the photosynthesis reaction will not happen. The without proteins the plant will wither and die, and if the nitrogen is not present or not available in the plant, at that time the energy transferring compounds such as ATP, they will not form and they will not allow the cells to conserve and use the energy released in the metabolism also. And also it is a significant component of nucleic acid. So as the DNA is important for the plants also, they will die eventually, because they if the DNA is absent, then the cells or whole plants will not grow and reproduce. This is the reason the nitrogen is important for the plant. So now, what is nitrogen fixation and why this nitrogen fixation is essential? So nitrogen fixation is nothing but the process by which the atmospheric nitrogen which is present in the atmosphere is converted by either a natural or an industrial means to form a nitrogen such as ammonia. In nature, most nitrogen is harvested from the atmosphere by microorganisms to form ammonia, nitrites and nitrates that can be used by plants, because the plants can only take the nitrogen in the form of ammonia, nitrites and nitrates. That's the reason the nitrogen fixation is essential, and we have to fix the nitrogen to make that nitrogen available for the plants and to play its vital role in the plants growth, development and reproduction. So as we discuss over here that the most of the nitrogen is harvested from the atmosphere by nitrogen, so there are some different nitrogen fixing microorganisms also. So this nitrogen fixing microorganisms, here I enlisted some of them, like rhizobium, which is a symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria which forms an association with the plants and fixes the atmospheric nitrogen. Clostridium, nostoc, Klebsiella pneumoniae, Azotobacter, Klebsiella planticola, Spirulium. These are the different types of nitrogen fixing microorganisms which we can use for the nitrogen fixation for the to make the nitrogen available for the plant. As here we discuss about the introduction to nitrogen, why nitrogen is important for plants, what is nitrogen fixation and why nitrogen fixation is required, and which are the different types of microorganisms which can helps in the fixation of nitrogen to make the nitrogen available for the plants. Thank you.